Hey there, I tried to solve the Stasis Capsule problem. You remember, folks? The spaceship has only around 26, not enough. I mean, maybe only a small part of crew members are sleeping, but it feels wrong, and for that I updated the back right spaceship area. The entire rebuild needs more time, means that is more an update. But in short, the plan is to make more Stasis capsules. Actually, I should make a target for the total amount of them, which fits with the crew number. The right drive is also mirrored, and over there, the middle part. It's the same like before. I like that we can shoot out the capsules, and I store more of them here. VIP, you know, but you see what I mean. Fairly cool that we can look down to the capsules, and we can open these dudes if we want. I'm a bit unhappy with the side behind this wall. I needed space and take away a lot from the capsule get drive device machine. I don't know. We can say we don't really need it because the pods get the drive one time and then only if it's broken, or for that is one enough. Back to the warehouse. I think it needs later also some port to exchange with the outside world. All the stuff here it's old and I don't like it anymore. The purpose of that was to have access to the middle pipe, but I think we have enough. I plan on this level also something for the bridge crew. Means maybe I let one access. But for now, thanks so much for watching. Drop a like, a comment, and press the subscribe button, and see you next time.